So Luther is on, so hopefully he's ready to hop on and get started, and then we're going to have him introduce. I'm going to allow you to talk, Luther, and actually I think I could put you to. Are you there? How are you doing?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Here, I'm going to promote you to a panelist too. So if you wanted to turn your video on, you could do. Are you ready to turn your video on? Or are you still driving, or what are you doing? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you driving still? Are you? Are you at your computer?
I'm not at my computer, but I'm good to talk.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. All right. So Luther is here. Luther is a student. He joined Storage Nerds in January, and just a couple of weeks ago. And also, so actually introduce yourself a little bit while you're driving. And I know he's gonna get to his computer, and we'll be able to share more stuff. But tell everybody why you're driving and where you're driving from.
So I don't get off work till 5 like most people. And actually manage a 400 unit facility. And when it's ran, I guess the way it's ran, because they're running it a little different than Stacy is, because Stacy kind of found out the secret way to run it, which is the best way, and that's not being there at the facility. But I'm on the way home now, and I think we have a deal that we're going to look at tonight and kind of see. I know a lot of you are new, so you probably have already either.
You're Luther, you're breaking up. So I think maybe it's best to just get to your house because you're breaking up. I don't know where you're driving. All right. And then I'll explain everything while you're driving. Is that okay?
Talk to an owner and maybe they decided they wanted to sell. So we're going to try to use stuff out.
Oh, I was going to say.
Yeah, that's fine. 15 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. I'll give you just a couple minutes. Okay. And then you just get set up because you are breaking up a little bit.
All righty.
Okay. All right, good. Okay, so while he's getting ready and getting on his computer to get the thing going. So Luther works at a facility in Alabama. It's 400 units, and so basically he came to me and said, look, I don't want to just work at a storage facility. I want to own a storage facility, right? And he's only 21 years old. Could you imagine being 21 years old and thinking this way? And so he works at the storage facility, and he does like all the things that you basically are not supposed to do. So it's 400 units. And so he works there on site. His owner has him there on site. They do not have a computer system. Essentially, he only takes cash or checks at this facility. And then he meets the customers. They sign the contract right then and there. They come in, sign the contract, and this is Luther's job. This is like the old school way of running storage. Like, this is like before COVID. This is before contactless. And so Luther obviously is still doing this for this owner. I told Luther, I said, you should buy these facilities. This is your goal, to buy these facilities. I wonder if the owner would ever sell them to Luther. Wouldn't that be awesome? So anyways, it's 400 units, and he comes into the office, and then he says, and basically what he said was like the first week, it's always like super busy, right? Because people are coming in and making their payments and stuff. I mean, could you imagine having like drive to your storage facility and make your payment every single month? Wouldn't that be horrible? And so that's what he does. He takes all the payments. And then he said the second and third weeks, he said he's totally bored. He has nothing to do at all. And then it starts to pick up again on the fourth week. And it starts getting busy again because people want to pay early and stuff like that. So just to give you the idea of like how a storage facility runs, that's really how it runs, right? So, and it's 400 units, which seems like a very big facility, right? But the truth of the matter is that 400 units, honestly, is really not a lot of work. And so he is bored during the week. He's just bored. So the good thing is that during the week when he's bored, Now what he's doing is he's looking for storage facilities to purchase. He's in the coaching program, and I've been walking him through how to find storage facilities. And just in the last couple of weeks, he's found over 300 storage facilities and contacted a lot of the owners. And actually, he's only contacted like a very, like, not even a lot of owners, like a handful of owners. And out of the handful of owners that he's contacted, he has like 4 or 5 owners that want to sell. And so now he's been kind of freaking out because we're trying to do deal analysis, and he's trying to walk through the deal analysis. Like, he has no idea he had no idea when he first started how to run the numbers and look at the numbers. So what we're going to do today is, he has, out of his like 4 or 5 facilities that he found, he'll tell us how he found them or whatever, and then we'll walk through the deal analysis together, and I will show him and teach him, and then teach you as well how to do it as well. Does that sound good? If that sounds good, give me a thumbs up or a high five, or put something in the chat if this sounds like this will help you.